Fun fam, and if you're brand new to the channel, welcome in to follow the Bradley's Fun. My name is Ron E. Bradley, here with my beautiful wife today. And we hope that wherever you are, you're having a phenomenal day. We are back at the Magic Kingdom today, and with the castle. The Main Street USA right behind us. We're about to go get on the train and start our adventures. I don't even know where they're going to take us today, but come along with us and follow the Bradley's Fun! Come aboard! Oh my goodness gracious! First time we're actually getting on Main Street transportation! Holy mackerel! This is kind of cool.
Before we enter remain seated throughout the entire trip. Alright? Wash your shoulders, please, as well. Yes.
In all my years of coming to Disney World, I've never gotten to do this before. So cool.
Stay sitting, okay?
Let us know in the comments below, have you ever ridden Main Street transportation, either the car or the double-decker?
We've been coming since at least
10 years living here in Orlando and visiting back and forth is the first time. And it's amazing.
Yeah.
I love it. My dreams come true.
Never been in one of these before. It's very cool.
No, never. The balloons, baby. Oh.
How was that, baby?
That was amazing, actually. I like it. It's the first time my husband did. Me gusta.
The magical friendship fair! Watch down! Oh, I can't wait! Welcome home to the Christmas store. It's come alive for the child inside. So let's go! Where the magic feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. The magic feels like
the majestic Liberty Bell coming around the corner. The great steamship Liberty Bell. Well, another Disney cast member sleeping on the job.
Since we're over here by it, let's go take a look and see what's happening today at Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Get that quick update.
I don't know that I've seen this green moss-like substance painted on the side of these rocks before. Maybe I have, I could be wrong, but this is the first time that I'm actually noticing that. So I'm kind of curious as if that's what they're attempting to do to make that these clearly western red rocks instead look like they're part of Louisiana Bayou. It's an attempt, at least, I guess. And to add to that, there's some vinage, I believe it's fake, on the side of that tree up there. So, and like you can see the vinings going down the fence a little bit. Interesting. When I was here the other day, this attraction was running and the Imagineers were on it. Just so you can see that it's not like that every day. This is what it looks like. We're here on Friday morning and nothing is going on. It sounded like there might be construction work going on inside the attraction, but right now there's no water in it. The logs are stationary and it's not running at all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 I count 6 logs stacked right here.
I see an Imagineer back there. I'm tall, so I can kind of get a peek over the construction scrim here.
Coming summer of 2024, but when? No opening date announced yet. Disney Wish items, 40% off. Hats, ears, lamps, whatever this tree toy thing is, and sweatshirts in 90-degree heat. Probably should be 80% off. We're gonna get haunted here. Where are we at? Haunted Mansion. Haunted. I got some great photographs of this from Tom's Island. Let's see if I can insert them here in some creative way.
We are not in a line any longer, mortals. All the way forward, wall to wall. Mortal. Go around any bodies will not fill in the dead space. Not paying attention, they won't even notice.
Oh, hello, friend. That's haunting.
Step all the way in, please, and make room for everyone. There's no turning back now. Metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
We found a way out. Any volunteers?
Unlivable here in this
Rap on a table. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblin.
They switched our heads around. Oh no! We made it! Oh my gosh! I didn't know if we'd make it out of this haunted mansion.
Oh my god, how many wives? 14, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
It's a small world. My wife loves It's a Small World. Oh, there's so much we share that it is time. We're aware. It's a small world after all. Right, baby?
Yes.
We made it on board. It's a small world after all. Welcome to the happiest cruise that ever sailed. Alright, I'm showing you this scene and the last scene. I'm not making you sit through all this. And we made it. This is it. This is the last scene. Goodbye, adios, farewell, do svidania, au revoir, shalom, ciao, adios, goodbye, aloha. Oh, the Mickey's Friendship Fair show, I think is what it's called. It's going on right now.
This is the same show that was playing when we first walked in, and I showed you that earlier.
Middle of the day, so now we got to go pick up our son, and then I'll be back and see some more stuff tonight. Right, baby?
Yes.
Where are we going to get?
My song.
Our
Our
son.
song. To the school.
Yep.
We are almost on time. It's 5 to 2. Because I'm singing that. What?
Oh, yeah. Let's go get him a treat. Main Street Confectionery, home of Mars. Okay.
6 hours later.
I'm coming over. I'm in Tomorrowland because I need to check out Space Mountain, and I see that there's no line for Carousel of Progress. 2 minutes. So 2 minutes. I've got to come over here, and it's going to start in 2 minutes, and I'm going to come check it out. I haven't been on Carousel of Progress since before the closures in 2020. I don't even remember when the last time was on, but it has been a long time, so I'm going to check it out. Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Classic Tomorrowland. These sculpted trees. That brings me back to my childhood. And of course the People Mover. We love the People Mover. She's a moving. Walt Disney's Carousel Progress. Ladies and gentlemen, moms and dads, boys and girls, children of all ages. It's the Carousel of Progress. I sat right up front.
Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Oh, you're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it.
Greek sitting in front of their TV sets?
Are you waiting? Just a dream away.
Went on Carousel Progress exactly at the right time for it to be quite light out when I went in and quite dark out when I'm coming out.
Virtual queue for Tron, and then after, I'm going to head over to Tiana's Bayou Adventure and check it out real quick at night before I take off. I might even be able to hit Pirates while I'm over there. And my group has been called for my virtual queue for Tron. Oh, wow, it looks so cool tonight. So I'm going to get in line for the virtual queue and go on Tron. Oh, I'm about to get digitized into the computer world. Ooh, I hate this part. It stings.
Tron Lightcycle Run is a thrilling, high-speed roller coaster type.
never seen this special Tron car before.
Fireworks are about to start, which means it's a great time for pirates.
Where be Captain Jack Sparrow? Speak up! Or do you fancy a swim with Davy Jones?
Everyone an eggler!
Not lest they be laying golden eggs!
Belay there, you
Clucking! The gentlemen want the rum! Don't you, boy?
Hey, watch the rum! We gotta look at this here. Well, what I wouldn't give to see the look on Captain Jack Sparrow's face.
And that was it for the day and now the night. And so I will leave you with a couple of nighttime shots of Tiana's Bayou adventure as it's testing. We will have another update next week. But for now, thanks for coming in, and we will see you real soon. Bye, everybody. Ciao. Bye. Have a good night.